Hi Dolphins! I'm going to be reviewing how to write numbers 1 through 10. It would be awesome if you guys could grab a piece of paper and a pencil and maybe practice with me while I do it. Awesome! Let's go! So to make the number 1, all you have to do, just that, 1. Let's try it again. 1. Literally just a line. That's all you have to do. If you want to make it fancy, boop, boop. Now it's a fancy one, but you don't have to do that. As long as you do a line, you got a 1. Next, we have the number 2. For the 2, you're gonna curve, oop, and then once you get down here, boop, curve, boop, and then a line on the bottom. So let's try that again. We're gonna do a big curve and then a little line. And sometimes it's hard to do this curve, but the way I like to do it, it's like I'm about to write a heart. You know, for a heart, you might do that. So pretend you're about to write a heart, but instead of going back over here to make the heart, boop, just do a little line. Curve, little line. And you have your 2. For 3, I'm just gonna do 3. For 3, I'm just gonna do a little curve. And then another little curve. Little curve, little curve. Little curve, little curve. Little curve, little curve. Try with me again. Little curve, little curve. Boop, boop. And right when you finish your first curve, you go in and you don't lift your pencil up. Boom, keep it there, boom. You don't take your pencil off the whole time you're making the 3. Perfect. 3. The next letter is 4. To write a 4, you do a little line, another little line, and then a big line. So let's try it again. 1 little line, then you do another little line, then a big line. It almost looks like a weird L. So little line, and then big line. Wait a minute, how many 4s did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 4 4s. To do a 5, we're gonna do 1 little line, 1 little curve, and then another little line on top. Give him his hat. So, little line, little curve, and little hat. 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 How many 5s did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s. That's kind of funny. To do the number 6, it's like we start out with a line, but then it turns into a circle. So, boo, and then it curves at the end. Like you're making a line, and then it's going to curve at the bottom. Boo. Starting a line, and then, oh my goodness, turns into a circle. Line turns into a circle. You see how I started out with a line, and then it curves at the bottom. How many 6s did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 6s. For the number 7, we're going to write it like little line, big line. Little line across, big line down. And you see how it kind of goes down like a slide. So little line, big line. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. See how I don't need to take my pen off of the whiteboard? Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Yeah. How many 7s do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 7s. Awesome. Number 8, I think is one of my favorites, but it can also be kind of tricky. So for 8, you're going to start like with a curve, and then, ooh, and it starts to look like an S, but then you keep going, and then you go back. What? Let's do it again. Let's do it again. You make your S, but then you keep going and go up, and then you connect the line. make an S, ooh, S, ooh, S, ooh, but you gotta connect it. S, ooh, and then it keeps going, boop, ooh. This is a silly looking 8. Just pretend you didn't see that one. S, boop, and S, boop. How many 8s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 8s. For number 9, we are going to start right here, kind of like writing an A, and then we bring it down. We bring it down all the way. So for an A, you would only bring it down like that, right? But we're doing it all the way down like that. It kind of makes it look like a 9. So make it like a little circle, but that you go up and then you bring it down. So start writing a circle and then bring it up. Looks like an A, but make it long. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. See, it's so easy. You don't even need to take your pen off of the paper. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Let's get how many 9s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 9s. So for our last number, we're going to be practicing the number 10. So 10 has 2 digits in it. And a digit is the number of numbers that are in a number. Kind of sounds like a silly way to say it. But for example, the number 1 is just a 1-digit number. But the number 10 is a 2-digit number because look, 1, 2, 2 digits. So 10 is a 1 and a 0. And you guys already know how to make a 1. You just go like that, just a straight line. 0 is kind of like making an O, but it's more of an oval. So you make kind of an oval. So 1 and then oval. 1, you start up here to make your oval goes down and then goes up. The difference between a circle and an oval is a circle is kind of more round, and then an oval is a little more skinny. It's a little thinner. You see? Doop, doop, boop, 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 boop. 1, 0. 1, 0. 1, 0. Awesome. Let's count how many 10s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 10s. How cool. Well, friends, thank you so much for practicing your numbers with me. You guys have a great day. Bye, Dolphins.